Hello and welcome to BQ Prime. A very good morning to all the viewers. I am Hiral Tatia. One stock that has been in focus over the last couple of trading sessions is a Vascon Engineering, and this is on the back of an order win. In fact, if you see the last 5-day performance as well, the stock is up around 7 to 8% today as well, trading in the positive. And joining us on the show to discuss more in terms of what's brewing is Mr. Siddharth Vasudevan, MD at Vascon Engineers. Siddharth, good morning and welcome to the show.
Good morning. Thank you for having me here.
Always a pleasure. Siddharth, we've had a recent order win amounting to little over 600 odd crores, and the LOA is from Bihar Medical Services and Infrastructure Corp. If you could help us understand what is the project all about, the timelines, etc.
Yes, so this project is in Patna, close in Bihar, and we are expected to finish this in 24 months. So we're excited because this is a good order to have.
Right. What's the kind
Yeah.
of execution timeline for this one?
So we will be looking at 24-month timeline, 2 years to complete this project.
Okay. And
Yes.
how much of the 605 crores will be recognized in FY24 and how much of it will be in FY25?
So generally, when projects start off, they're a little slow, and then they pick up steam, towards the mid of the project. So we would be looking at getting almost 50-50 in both the years. So it's
Okay.
just like yes.
Right. And with this order, what does your actual order book total take it to? Because I think the total order book was at around 1980 at the end of the first quarter of FY24. Where does it stand now?
So with this order, we are closer to the 2,500 crore mark, and we're expecting that we would like to see this more towards the 4,000 crore mark in the near future.
Right. And are you saying that 4,000 crores is what you're looking at in FY24 as a whole?
As a target, yes, that is what we're looking at.
Right. Uh, with this, how much of the orders will be executed out of the 4,000 odd crores in FY24?
So obviously, when I say that we'll be getting this will be through the period of the year.
Correct.
So yes. So our EPC execution, we should be close to around 850 to 900 crores for FY24 out of this.
Okay. And in terms of real estate as well as manufacturing and BMS?
So real estate, we're in a position where we're launching a few projects this year. Because of the recognition methods, we'll be seeing the numbers of this only come in FY25. So we won't be seeing great numbers from real estate. It'll be very steady, just like last year. But in the coming year, it'll be very significant.
Okay. And overall, if you see in terms of the kind of growth that you're looking at as well in terms of FY24, what does that look like?
So in real estate, we're launching a couple of projects, one in Powai, one in Santa Cruz, which is a redevelopment project. We're launching a couple of them in Pune as well. So, we'll be overall launching more than 2 million square feet amongst these places. So it's a significant launch for us this year.
Okay. And overall, in terms of even going ahead, I think 78% of the order book is from the government projects, right? Are you expecting a change in the revenue mix between government and private?
So as of now, we are only dealing with the grade A players from the private sectors, and that is the strategy that we want to follow. The government is a good paymaster. We are having good revenues and steady revenues coming from there, so that will still be our focus. We keep reviewing this time and again, periodically, just to ensure that we're doing the right things. So I think we would like to maintain this mix as of now.
Right. And overall, with regards to the bank guarantee, that was one of the concerns that you were facing as well, which has been corrected now. Where does it stand?
So we have asked for enhanced limit from all our bankers, and they have been positively looking at it. We're expecting these enhancements to happen towards later this year, and that would also augment us to move forward from the 4,000 number that I was telling you, to move to larger numbers in FY25.
Right. And by how much do you think that will augment it?
So we're looking at least for a minimum of 150 crores more from the banks.
Right. And any other key strategy initiatives that one should be looking out for from an investor perspective?
So we've been obviously, I have not spoken about the manufacturing arm, even though you asked me, and that's growing as well. We've done 250 crores from that arm, which was quite a significant top line. And I think today one of our key USPs is that as much as we like to focus on the top lines, our focus on the bottom lines is equally right there. It's very important to us. So, we don't want to compromise on bottom lines while we are growing our top lines. So we're picky on the jobs we take, but I think the pie is so big that we don't really need to, stress and take lower profit jobs. So we're going to be moving ahead with healthy profits as well.
All right, Siddharth. Thank you so much for speaking to us at PQ Prime and giving us that update. And the stock itself is seeing some smart gains in today's session as well. So that's the management of Vascon Engineering, clearly giving us an update with regards to the order that they have won little over 600 odd crores, and 2 years is the kind of execution timeline that we are looking at. But apart from that, the other business updates and strategy updates that we should be watching out for as well. That's all that we have on this session. Thanks for watching, and lots more lined up on the other side. We will have a detailed discussion with regards to rice companies and what does it actually mean when the center has imposed a 20% export duty on parboiled rice, as well as they're expected to notify a minimum export price for basmati rice, which would be pegged at $1,200 per ton. Managements of KRPL as well as LT Foods will be joining us soon to discuss more. Thanks.